Hello everyone, today is 2nd of September 2025 and today we traded ICICI Bank. We just got a short trade, a short alert, alpha bear as you know. So let's see how it goes. So trade was in early morning and as you know we don't trade this thing, right? Possible alpha bear. So this we don't trade as it is like pause is for possible, right? It tells us like signal may occur here. Okay, price action is such like signal may occur over here. So let's see, we'll get a confirmation. So this is a confirmation, this alpha bear. Okay, this alpha bear is a confirmation which we trade, right? This is a signal. So we'll just set our trade now and let's see how it goes. So we have initiated a short position over here and this would be our SL, this line. The top of this few points above will be our SL. And price went pretty well after some of the consolidation. The price went in our direction and this is 1 is to 2 which I usually take in intraday. That is more than enough and we get a lot of good trades over here in FNO. So 1 is to 2 is sufficient for me, right? See how beautifully it captured, how beautifully it was captured, right? All the way down, all the way down. So that's it guys, like, subscribe my channel, and if you're interested in this indicator please let me know. Thank you.